Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Hearthstone for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Hearthstone for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Hearthstone, since that's where we can download the game. So just go and search this. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download Hearthstone on this website, you just need to click this Play Now button right here. And after clicking it, the game launcher for Hearthstone will now be downloaded. Reminder guys, this is not the actual game yet, this is only the game launcher, and we will only be able to download the actual game later once we have installed this game launcher for Hearthstone. So now that you've downloaded the game launcher, you can now click it to start the installation. And then you will now begin the installation setup for the game launcher. So right here, you just need to select the language you prefer for the game launcher. In my case, I'm fine with English, so I will just click the continue button to proceed. And right here, the installer will show you the total app size and the location where the game launcher installation file will be saved. If you want to change it, just click this change button and then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click continue. And after that, the game launcher will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, the game launcher will now be opened. So now that you have the game launcher for Hearthstone, next, you will need to have an account for the game launcher in order to proceed. So if you already have one, just log it in right here. But if you don't have an account yet, just go and click this to create. So creating an account here is basically just the same as any other games. You just need to enter your birthday, name, email, and password. I'm sure you already have an experience on creating an account from any other games or platform, so you will be able to do this easily since the process here is just the same as the others. And after that, there you go guys, you will now have your account, and it will automatically be logged in on the game launcher. So now that you're in the game launcher, you can now start downloading the actual Hearthstone game. So to do that, first, I want you to go to the Games tab right here. And once you're here on the Games tab, you can now search for Hearthstone right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game. Just go and click it. And then click the Play for Free button. And after clicking it, the game launcher will show you the total game size and the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click this change button and then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click install. And after that, there you go guys, the game will now start installing. The game's size is not that big, so this won't take a lot of time unless you have a really slow internet, but just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.